We are starting the vlog with a new camera and it's so close to my face. I'm not used to it, you guys, but how do you think that it looks? How is the sound? Because we are using the external mic, the Rode, I think is what it's called. So yeah.
Turn up. You better be there when I shake.
We are going furniture shopping. We're looking for bedroom furniture for the 3 girls. And we're looking for living room furniture for our living room because our couches, you guys, they're so like dunsies. They just need to be replaced between the 5 kids and the dog. Yeah, they're done. So we went and looked at some furniture the other day, but we didn't really find any living room furniture that we liked. So we're gonna go to a different place today, and then yeah, we'll just take you guys with us. Sorry, Hadley's listening to that baby shark and my brain cannot think straight with that thing going. The other thing that we're gonna do today is take the girls to American Eagle. Kylie and Natalie both got American Eagle gift cards for Christmas. They got $100 each, and then I think they have some cash as well that other family members gave them. So they want to go use that, and American Eagle is having a 60% off sale today. So that's like the perfect time to use your gift card when they're having a big sale, because it's not like the most affordable place to shop. Their jeans are like $60, which is crazy. I only have 2 or 3 pairs of them because they're just so expensive. But anyways, so that's what's going on, and it's snowing on and off here today in Anchorage. Yeah, but we'll take you guys with us.
So we just looked at the clearance center and it wasn't that great.
Well, I thought that it was going to be like lower prices.
Yeah, me too.
I wore my slippers in the snow.
Oh, Subway. What you know about that keto fast food? The Subway guy was like, I set the camera up, pointing at Mom and I.
The Subway guy?
I set the camera up pointing at Mom and I. So like I set it up on the top counter thing. And he's like, I'm sorry, I'm kind of camera shy. And I'm like, oh, it's not looking at you, it's looking this way. And then he was like standing there and he's like, yeah, but I'm like, oh, do you want me to turn it off? He's like, yeah, I'm really camera shy. I'm like, well, you're not on camera. But and then he's like, oh, I've never met any famous people.
What?
He's like 18,000 YouTube people? Like, you're like famous. I was like, no.
Not really.
Do you girls get any like flack from school?
My friends think it's cool.
That was one thing I was worried about. What, Ben?
I want to go look at couches.
She wants to look at couches real fast, and I know that Frank's bedding or something like that.
Whoa.
Okay. I do like this game.
Me too, because the whole family can lay down for movies.
Look at her undressing me because she wants to know.
Hattie, no.
Look at the couch, honey.
Where are we going, babe?
We're going to find Kylie a mattress.
Mama, what is them? Look at the water. What's up to race?
So, hold on. What are we doing?
We getting a matty bed, and I'm going to get blue bed.
Well, they didn't have your blue bed, so we're getting the sisters, the big sisters, their new mattresses
Well, I want one.
to do some rearranging
The
type
man
stuff.
said, Mom said I get, the mailman's going to bring me a blue bed.
Did you hear that, mailman?
Yeah.
You're bringing him a blue bed.
No.
Anyways, there are these memory foam mattresses,
No,
really
going,
comfortable.
No, he's going to bring me a blue bed.
Oh. I guess I misunderstood that. So,
Well,
this little chase lounge thing, I sat in it with Amy yesterday. It is so comfortable.
Mom said I can say bye, Hattie, Kylie.
Here comes Daddy. We had to come to the back, like the warehouse where they load up the stuff.
Back up to Bay 4.
Bay 4.
Back it up, back it up, back it up!
She likes that.
Back it up, back it up! Back it up, back it up. Let me begin.
But I'm trying to get to know you much better. Don't matter how much time it will take, but there's something you're trying to hide. There's something you're keeping inside. But I'm trying to get to know you much better. Don't matter how much time it will take. I just can't give up. I just can't give up, can't give up, can't give up. I just can't give up, can't give up, can't give up. No.
Adley, you close the elevator on Daddy? You lock Daddy out?
Cheers. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Go. You're a crazy girl. You are a hyper girl.
Keeping inside, but I'm trying to get to know you much better. It don't matter how much time it takes. Whoa, I just
So we're going into the Apple store to get a tripod for you guys. Because we want to take care of you. Is that something on my lens, or is this just like a... Do you see that spot in there? Or is it just like a...
It's a reflection.
It is?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see if they have one. Do you think they're going to have one or be sold out?
Yeah, probably.
Okay. Hattie, come on!
This tripod is way better than the one that we had. It doesn't make the noise. But
Well, and
we
it's
went in
very
there.
comfortable ergonomically in your hand, like the way it's twisted.
Ooh, I hope she doesn't fall
Oh my
backwards.
gosh, the sisters
We stopped by for a tripod and
And then
left
Kirk spotted
with a hard
a
drive.
external hard drive that cost me what?
$150.
$150.
But
So I
she's
just
always
spent
complaining.
$200
She's
in there.
always complaining that her laptop is getting full. And so I told her, like, well, you just need to get an external hard drive that you can work off of. So we did. And it's a solid state drive. No moving parts.
Come on.
So now we're gonna go find the littles. Or no, the big ones. Ooh, sassy attitude.
Follow Daddy. Another 20 pounds and then I can come buy more clothes. Like I want to buy some stuff right now, but I'm not going to because I know that I'll just regret it in a month.
cute, huh?
Who is that?
Do you want to go get candy?
Yeah.
What do you want to get?
Candy.
Oh yeah?
Let's go get the
What
candy.
are you going to get?
Sugar free.
Back up so I can see.
It takes wheels, cuz.
Take 2 steps back. 2 big steps back. Hattie, you gotta back up so I can see you. Okay, now turn them around. Show me what you're getting.
I got jelly. I like jelly.
Let me see what you're getting, Riker. Turn them around. Jelly beans.
Yeah.
Hold on. Back up so I can see. Riker, show me what you're getting. Riker, what are you getting?
I got jelly because I
Who's on
like
there?
Superman.
Can I get the same as
Hattie, what are you getting?
Richard Disney.
Santas?
Yeah.
Do you feel like you deserve?
Yes.
You guys each
have big
had
help.
gift cards to American Eagle and didn't buy me anything. Hold on, we gotta look.
It's
There
not
we go.
Christmas anymore.
Okay.
Christmas is over.
This is the season of giving, so
Christmas
give
is
stuff
over.
to your dad. Aww. Did you see that? That's better than any pair of pants in the world.
I know, right? I'm gonna get this and send it to Santa.
Oh, because you have his address?
Yeah. Well, I did have it. It was on that envelope in the car.